Unlock your potential with CIA Part 1 Study Guide 2024. Overview. Stepping into the world of internal auditing. The CIA Part 1 Study Guide 2024 is your ultimate resource, meticulously curated to ensure you ace the essentials of internal auditing, the bedrock module of the CIA course. Unique features: 365 study points with questioning mind. Engage with every topic deeply, encouraging active recall and critical thinking. 396 true-false questions. Test your understanding rapidly and effectively, ensuring you are always on track. Efficient learning. Designed with a busy executive in mind, this guide guarantees success within just 2 months of focused study. By committing a mere 3 hours daily and a bit more on weekends, you can harness the comprehensive knowledge required to triumph in the CIA Part 1 exam set by the esteemed Institute of Internal Auditors US. Flexibility and support. Digital excellence. The guide is available as an easily printable PDF, adapted perfectly for screens of all sizes. Boundless access. Once you are in for life. There are no time or device constraints. Complimentary guidance. Zain's unwavering support is with you until you clear the CIA exam. Queries? Doubts? Just reach out via WhatsApp or email, and Zain Academy assures timely and valuable insights. Additional resources. Augment your preparation with the CIA Part 1 Exam Questions 2024, a treasure trove of 1,322 multiple choice questions complete with detailed answers breakdowns. Affordable brilliance. Zain Academy's mission is to provide premium quality CIA exam prep without breaking the bank. Their results speak volumes, boasting a staggering 90% success rate. Visual learning. Zain's enlightening CIA Part 1 learning videos on YouTube supplement the guide, enhancing topic retention and understanding. Availing premium access grants even more benefits, saving both your time and money. Embark on your path to professional superiority. Ready to dive in? Get the CIA Part 1 Study Guide 2024 now, available exclusively at the link provided, and embark on your journey towards auditing mastery. Choose excellence, choose Zain Academy.